Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to build credit with Capital One Platinum. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to tell you what it says on the official website. So to get the best results, you have to make sure of a few things. First one, you always pay your bill on time because if you miss one, then your credit score will be lower. So make sure you put it always in time, and then your debt should be at minimum. So like if you have a credit card with $1,000 limit, that means that you would keep your revolving balance below $300 at all times because it should be always 30% or less. And then you should seek out credit line increases when eligible. Like, this should be as soon as 6 months with your Capital One Platinum card. And so by increasing your credit limit, you're also making it easier to be, more accountable and everything. And then you're going to monitor your credit score over time, like if it's increasing or is it decreasing. And if it's decreasing and you can't understand why you're following everything, you can always contact their customer support and let them know. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.